Right, I am off to dinner at my friend's house. Yeah, don't look at myself. I just got ready. That's why I'm staring at myself so much like that. My hair's still wet, but I'm going to leave. Get a bottle of red on the way, and she is making paella, which I'm excited. But I'm wearing a crop top. Is that a bad idea to go eat paella? Probably. But oh well, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to head to the shop quickly, pick up a bottle of red, and then jump on the train. It's a little bit of a journey, so it'll be a while. It's an early dins because it's 3:45, but I won't be there for another hour and a half. So I'll see you when I'm there. We're here at Sarah's. Chef. Veggie paella. Prawn and chicken. Delish. Got a bit of an issue here. Not sure what's... Well, we're not electricians, but there is a garlic bread in there. Put no oven on. This one's... Oh, she's dressed now. She's ready to be on.
Camera ready.
Camera ready. I love it. It's because you got a new one.
Like friendly.
Wait, come back in. Right, I'm ready. I'm getting the wine out of the freezer now.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm spoiled by the garlic bread, but...
That's okay.
You know what? I like it.
No one could have predicted that would have happened. Are you pouring out your wine, or are you gonna your water? Are you gonna finish your water
I'm
before?
gonna quickly down my water.
Okay.
Is that your water or my water?
Okay, she's got a whole pan to herself.
I think so.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Oh,
it's
your
proper
girl's
steamed
hungry.
up.
Oh.
So Sarah using Sarah's sleeve as a...
You know what you need?
Babe, serve yourself too.
Oh, yeah.
What did you need?
No, some forks. Right.
Oh.
This is,
Thanks, love. Where's my vin? Ooh. Girls like, oh, it smells really good. Oh, it's the flowers. I've just put my hair in the wine. Oh, Natasha.
right.
Let's get the bottle over here. Needed.
Do you want some more prawns? I can't really like. I'll sit on the poof.
You can't what?
I can't like. Right, I'm gonna take my jacket off.
Eat prawns?
You can't reheat them.
Oh.
I can eat prawns. So if I keep. I got a little hat from Topshop on my way here because it was cold. Didn't bring a coat. Even
Very
though it's
cute.
winter. So yeah.
Oh, I might have to blur this guy.
Outfit of the day.
I might have to blur this guy. There's a penis in the background. Let's just go like this.
Yeah, sure.
Very cute. Did you go to Oxford Circus?
No, it was actually on my way to Charing Cross Station.
Oh.
That's by Topshop.
Oh, perfect. You're blocking his wee-wee.
25% off the whole store.
Oh, it's Black Friday.
So I got one for myself and one for my sister. They had a list on the website.
Let's taste.
Taste test? Oh, you need to put some parmesan on it.
No. I mean, yeah, it's weird, Katie.
Do you think?
Yeah, see, now that looks like...
Wait, what if I mix it in?
Pasta. Like...
You know what? This is just...
That's not normal.
This isn't really paella though. This is more like risotto.
Risotto, there you go.
Got, like...
Yeah, but you put a bunch of paprika in it, so it made it like... spicy.
There is so much food on my plate.
You can sit up here, there's space
Sarah.
for you.
Why not?
Yeah, thank you, doll.
No, I'm cool.
Are you sure?
I enjoy this. Thanks, Sarah, for making this. You're an angel.
Oh my god, that's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna eat. Tell me what you learned.
Slap it. Oh, nice. Very. Oh, is this the whistles one?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. I thought you said the material was crap.
I mean, it's a little bit see-through.
Me too.
Oh, it's lovely. I love this material.
I need to take it up because like her long is like there.
Do you have a tailor? I feel like you should have a personal tailor.
See, that would be too short for me. For me, it'd be too short.
Right, let me. I feel like it would be too short on me too.
No. I feel like, you know, there's bears in that story with the porridge.
Yeah, Goldilocks.
Yeah, but we're the same height.
No, we're not.
No.
Is she way taller than me?
Yeah.
Not way taller than me.
Yeah. Like I can so see past your head.
What do you mean past my head?
Like,
No, don't go
See
like
the back
this.
of your head. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not. No. Wait, hold on.
We'll get her to film us and you'll see.
Are you kidding?
No, look. Firstly, it needs to go.
Yeah, so look f***ing short.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding?
I think it's supposed to be 3/4 then.
Yeah, probably.
It's a UK size 4. That was never fit.
That would never fit me either. I feel like it's shorter on my legs than it is on yours. No, you don't. You can't hike it up. You can't hike it up. Put it over your head. I swear. Look, the shoulders are on my shoulders. Look at that. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
I would make my ankles look so fat at this length. I could never.
I'm surprised you need to take it up then.
No, I need to take the body. Like,
At the crotch.
Oh, the crotch.
Got ya.
But how are you going to do that?
I don't know. Me and my mum will do it.
You know, I always remember you for jumpsuits. You loved a jumpsuit at TED, didn't you?
I love that. Very good. And a nice little belt.
With Doc Martens.
Girl, yeah.
But it can't have a jacket.
Chocolate chip cookie. Do you believe that though?
Yeah, I do.
360? I don't think so.
Because
There's
it's got
got to be
sweetener in.
more.
That's what it is. Milk, egg, sweetener.
I don't-
Sweeteners instead of the sugar. That's what makes it low
I
cal.
don't like sweetener.
Well, you're like this.
Is it like, what's that sweetener stuff?
It actually has a bit of sugar.
What do people put in coffees that it's not sugar?
Shaker and Domino's sweeteners.
Yes. No, it could be like low-fat milk and stuff. You know? Do you wanna
Sarah's making
combine
me
these
fat.
that you can...
Do you want a doggy bag?
No, you have it.
No, you have it because it's got mushroom in.
Okay. I mean, I'll take it. I mean, waste not one.
She's still got this for a doggy bag. For like leftovers.
I'll take the doggy bag.
That's why she
I
put...
feel so at home here. This is like my flat. Love it.
I mean, you did cook your dinner.
I come and I mix.
I mean, you did throw the rice everywhere.
I can't find the box.
At least you're cooking now.
Bag. I will do. I will put it in a Ziploc bag because then I don't have to return the box.
And you can put it in the freezer.
I mean, I've eaten most of the mushrooms out of this because I cherry picked them.
Katie, I'm not really sure what you're doing because you're still going to have to move it into a bag.
I'm just making a little pizza slice.
That'll fit.
Yeah.
Yes, it will.
There's bigger ones somewhere.
This will do.
I mean, you can have a couple of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, like put another, if it doesn't fit in one. Okay, you're going to need help for this.
Yeah. I can dig it to the song.
That wasn't anything to the tune.
That was my finest moves.
She looks relatively productive now. Now I turn the camera on, she looks like she's doing something. When she wasn't doing anything the whole time.
Maybe I'm not going to touch the chicken.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Other than that. How cute is this? Do you get this in Tiger?
Mhm.
Other shops are available. No free advertising here.
And the heart cloth that you can see in front of you.
Yeah.
Also Tiger. Me too.
I love Tiger. Although don't buy their phone cords. Sorry.
Yeah,
Awful.
I would
So
never
bad.
see what done that. Because I feel like they've done
It was 6 meters. I was like, great, I can be on the other side of the room and have it plugged in. No.
Meters, you can literally be, yeah.
Yeah.
Different rooms.
Yeah,
And
it's
their
broken.
Earphones are shit as well.
Huh?
Earphones.
Oh, really? They're not good. They say that you really should only buy
Apple ones.
Apple, well, especially chargers, because they also charge your phone quicker.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. No, but it also.
But even just Amazon ones aren't as good.
But then, does it not fuck your battery up? Like, if you use a
different-
shit charger,
Yeah, I think
your
so.
battery drains quicker.
I think so.
Yeah.
I feel like,
But-
can't they just make phones where our battery just stays alive for longer?
No, because it's
Why do
that.
they have to charge it so much?
Because when your phone's due an upgrade, it conveniently stops working.
Yeah.
There's also always a system update as soon as there's a new phone that comes
Yeah,
out.
now my phone's all of a sudden, because I've been updating the apps as I'm supposed to. Now I've updated the last update. It was like, oh, your storage is now full. I'm like, oh, cheers.
Oh, same.
Cheers for those updates.
Same.
Now you've filled my phone. Great.
But that's not anything to do with Apple. The app updates.
No, I know, but it's just to do with the fact that like if an app updates, then it's just gonna add memory, keep adding memory.
Which one is spoonful? I've never had it. I'm really curious. I'm also really annoyed that you didn't take a picture of the food, because if anyone would have done it, I thought it would have been you.
I did, but it looked a bit shit under my monster parmesan. So I do have a picture.
Oh, do you have a picture of ours then?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Here you go. If you want more, there's more, obviously. And there's two bits. There you go.
Feed me.
What if you don't like it?
Yeah, like a tiny bit. That's a lot. Like half of that.
I've actually got.
Let's get back to you doing.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Do you want some?
No. I'm not really an ice cream person.
Oh, I am.
I see that.
Can I see myself?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is why I'm not going to let you see yourself.
My first debut on the screen is embarrassing. I apologise.
Yeah, I wish I drank.
I've only had a few sips of wine. Imagine when I'm drunk.
Are you not going to drink any more of it?
Yeah.
I was about to say, you're not really going to make me drink the whole bottle on my own, are you?
Oh my god, this is amazing.
I'm just going to eat
Have you had
these.
this before?
No, not this one. This brand, yes.
Yeah, there's loads. I really want to do a taste test of all of them.
10.
I'm being really fussy and only going for the lips.
Are you
though.
not thinking it's good? Excuse me.
Put a lip and a teeth together at the same time.
Are you not thinking this is good?
Yeah, no, I do. I'm enjoying it.
I mean, they're the same thing, aren't they?
No.
Oh yeah, one's milky and one's
I feel, yeah,
These aren't milky though. Like milk bottles are milky. Like they're like chalky. I don't like those.
but I feel like that's a good combination, those two together.
What's your
They are
favourite
good.
sweet if you were to pick one sweet?
Tongue Sticks. No. Fizzy strawberry laces.
Okay. You know my...
No. Yeah. Now
put them in the
I
fridge?
am. No. Fizzy strawberry laces.
Do you put them in... My housemate, my ex-housemate Lucy, her favourites were Tongue Sticks and she'd put them in the fridge. I
No.
think it made them harder or something.
No. Yeah.
I
Duh.
used to love that.
I think
No.
they're my favourite.
I like chocolate in the fridge.
Yes.
Chocolate in the fridge, good. Not in the freezer. Freezer's too cold. Chocolate, yes.
I don't get that.
I mean, fridge, yes. Not chocolate, yes.
James hates when I put the chocolate inside.
No, that's good. I like it.
What's your favourite chocolate?
Because then it like slowly melts in your mouth. I don't think I have one.
I think mine's a Boost. It's like Rogue, but it is.
That is Rogue.
I like plain dairy milk chocolate with like.
I was going to say that. But then I also like the Oreo one is good.
But then eat a plain bag of crisps at the same time.
Oh, yes. Yes. So down for that. Love that.
I like the plains because I like the classics. And
Or-
toast chocolate orange.
I'm like, I can't have this. This needs to be like.
Can you not wear it without? Get the boobies out.
What boobs? No, but
This is lovely.
The sleeves like made it a little bit
You.
bougie.
Do we have a mask?
Yeah, but it's unworked.
Oh.
It's
Where
black
did we
with
get
silver
this
and
from?
it's got like feathers at the top.
Oh, you should have. Oh, did you buy it? Did you buy the mask? Because I have a black one with feathers on the top of it, like from like years ago. You could have just had it. I would have given it to you.
Very nice.
I actually got it for free when I went to.
You've also put it on.
Katie was
because
like,
of-
"What is the temperature outside? 8 degrees, 7
less than
degrees,
that. It was like
5."
When you left this morning, it would have been 3.
Right, and this is what Katie goes to work in.
Katie, it's
And then she
degrees. It's 1 degree.
And then she whips out the hat and she's like, "I bought the hat."
I bought the hat to save my life.
Yet she's wearing.
The thing is, I've got a jumper, and a blazer. It just felt wrong to have a coat.
No,
It
you
just
could
felt
have
like
like
You could have put.
claustrophobic.
No.
So
That's- Try this on over it. I promise you it won't feel. It's not about fashion right now. Are you?
it always is. This doesn't go. And I feel like Hunchback of Notre Dame because I'm
If you could put the hood on top. Why do I kind of like it?
Do you?
Kind
I
of.
wish I had one now.
I mean, if it was black. I mean, there is one in this one.
I'm filming.
No, this is not my look.
No, I haven't even seen your room.
This isn't my look.
Okay, this will go off.
Oh.
No entry for you. Oh, upside down. Oh, no entry.
I'm gonna fucking breathe.
Oh, I got a spot on my chin.
No, that was me.
Say the tour.
Yeah. See you later, Sarah.
I love you. I'll see you soon. Thanks for cooking.
Thank you so much. No, it was so good. Dinner was so good. I'm glad I finally come here now. Let's turn this off. Let's have a real